Hello, James. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your website really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Keystone Builders homepage. I can see that time and or money was spent into the site. It looks really good, very professional, and easy to navigate. However, as I'm scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of original content here. And so all of these testimonials would not be considered original content because they could be found on your Home Advisor, your Angie's, your Google Business Profile, wherever you took them from. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content on this homepage. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Now, in addition to having enough good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is replacement windows Milwaukee. This keyword brings in 260 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those clicks into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar is where we're going to see our Google Ads. Google Ads are a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special offer or event that you have going on. They're also a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath our ads, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. Now, in order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Now be careful when you're entering your information into these directories. Make sure that the information you're entering looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. Now this should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company were to give you a backlink and they had a powerful site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Now over here, I'm hopping onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so here I typed in a competitor, citingunlimited.com. Here we can see that they have 1,100 backlinks from 242 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 468 keywords. And so here I can take a closer look and see which keywords they're ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here we'll list all the keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, what percent of traffic that keyword brings them, and how many people search for that keyword every month. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did to the keywords, that I'm going to do it now to the backlinks. And so it's saying that they have 1,100 backlinks. Now you don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. You can click on each one and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and you can find some on your own as well. Over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, I can see that you guys have 253 backlinks from 91 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 138 keywords. So I'm going to see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you are ranking for them. So it seems like well over 80%, over 90% actually, are going to be all keywords that have your company name in them. So it would be hard for someone to find you if they weren't already looking for you in the first place. But I think you could get raised in the ranks for more buyer intent keywords if you incorporate the 3 things I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan. To recap, number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, you want some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back right here, we can see you have 153 people finding your site organically every month. And if we go back to our competitor here, we can see that they have 332. So that's around double the amount that you're getting every single month. And so that just shows you how powerful having a good site can be when it's ranked for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.